good people. What's up, everybody? Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yumi, in case you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm humbled. Nashukuru sana. Thank you for tuning in. And guys, I really missed you. First of all, niliwamisi kabisa, ile kabisa. So today, as I promised it in the previous video, that I will come back with a video about POSTINOR 2. You already know. So guys, don't miss this one. I'll be educating you. I'll be sharing the radio information I have about it. I did a research. So there will be very productive information. Don't miss this one. Just watch it from the beginning to the end so that you can get knowledge about POSTINOR 2 or morning after pills, and others just call it P2. Don't miss this one, guys. There is a lot. I'll be sharing how it works, when and how does it work, contraindication of it. You don't have to just take it. There is some contraindications. And at the end, I'll be explaining about the effects of too much POSTINOR 2 or the effect of abusing it. I mean, when you excess use it, there is a very, I can say, dangerous, I don't know, very harmful effect. So guys, do not miss this one. Tune in, don't miss it. Be with me to the beginning up to the end. Make sure you watch the full video. And in case you didn't watch the last videos about what kind of pads are good for you, for your health, please make sure you watch it. And also make sure you watch the video about how long do you supposed to stay with the pad in a day. How long? Do you know how long? So if you don't know, make sure you watch my video, and don't forget to subscribe, to share and comment. Please share as many videos as you can. Thank you. We will start with number one. Number one, I'll be introducing to you what is it. So we start. Number one, what is POSTINOR 2? What is morning after pills? Guys, what is it? So this is an emergency pills. Keep in mind, emergency pills, guys. Emergency. When I say emergency, I mean emergency. They are not just a regular contraceptives. It's an emergency pills. It has to be taken when it's emergency only in emergency cases. So it's an emergency pills which is made for emergency cases. Example of emergency cases, when you are supposed to take it, it's when maybe somebody is left. Yeah, that is an emergency. And when left, it's obvious that you are not ready for pregnancy. You are not ready to keep a baby. You weren't ready, so it's just an emergency. You have to use it. And Pole. So guys, and here is ka baby boy. So it's an emergency. Don't forget that. It will be a short intro. It's an emergency. Just keep it in mind. It's an emergency pill. Emergency, guys. And when I say emergency, doesn't mean only when somebody is being left. It's also emergency in a situation maybe a contraceptive method has failed. A normal contraceptive method has failed. So you will need that morning after pill. And the second thing I will be talking about is the effectiveness. The effectiveness of it, most of these pills are effective more effectively within 24 hours. That's 24 hours prior the action after unprotected sex. So that's when more effectively, and it's effective about 98%. And between 48 hours to 72 hours, the effectiveness of the drug inakuwa ina decline, which means that it will be effective about maybe 48%, which is very low. It doesn't guarantee that you won't get pregnant. No, you may get pregnant or you may not if you are lucky after those 48 hours or to 72 hours. And then guys, that's when it's more effective. Keep in mind, within 24 hours prior the action, that's when it's more effective. Then after effectiveness of it, it's how does it work? How does it work? These kind of pills do work by delaying or preventing fertilization, delaying ovulation, I mean. Hence, fertilization won't take place. So, this prevents fertilization from taking place, and hence, no formation of pregnancy at all. At all. But mind you, if it's within 24 hours, that's how it works. So it works by preventing fertilization to take place. In a delay ovulation, so when ovulation inapokuwa in a delay, unakuta fertilization haitake place. And then, what are the contraindications? So guys, you have to know that you don't have to just swallow the pills, eat the pills as food, drink it, eat it all whenever you feel. No. That's why I said before, it's not a regular method of contraception. It's just an emergency method. So you're not supposed to be taking it. There are some contraindications to some people, and these are to be maybe examined by your doctor. So you are not supposed to take the pills before seeing your doctor. You have to see the doctor, and the doctor will do some investigations and take some history ambayo itakusaidia ujue kama you are supposed to take it or you are not supposed to take it. So, speaking of contraindications, the first contraindication is kama una historia ya breast cancer. Breast cancer, if you have currently, you have breast cancer or you have a history of breast cancer, you are not supposed to take it. Or if you have vaginal bleedings of unknown origin, you just don't know, you haven't went to a doctor, you don't know why you are having vaginal bleedings regularly, you are not supposed to take it. So you'll have to see your doctor first before taking the pills. Remember guys, it is very healthy to see your doctor before starting the dose. Please see your doctor first, get some advice, get some investigations, and the doctor will see if you are eligible, if you are supposed to take it or you are not, if it's good for your health or if it is not good for your health. Another contraindication is if you have had liver diseases. If you have a history of liver diseases or you have currently liver diseases, if it's severe or non-severe, if it's chronic or not, but if you have liver diseases, you are not supposed to have it. You are not supposed to be taking those kind of pills. They are not for you. And another contraindication is when it's more than 72 hours, or let's say from 72 hours above prior the unprotected sex. You are not supposed to take it. because it won't be functioning. You will be just taking it maybe for fun, I can say. No, not for fun. It's not for fun actually. You'll be just taking it. It will not work. It will not work. Kabisa ile kabisa. It will not work. So you'll have to live with it. You'll have to accept the action. You just have to leave it grow. Yeah. So if it's more than 72 hours prior to the action, you are not supposed to take the drug. Yeah, it will be unheard for you because we'll be just taking drugs that are not working in your body. And sorry. And another contraindication is when you're already pregnant. So you're already pregnant. Why taking postinor 2? Why taking morning after pills? You're already pregnant. So you are not supposed to take it. You are contraindicated to it when you are already pregnant. As I told you before, it works before fertilization takes place. So after fertilization, it won't be having any effect in your body. Pregnancy will continue and you'll get that gift. So after you're pregnant, mind you, you are not supposed to take it. Just leave it. And that's all about contraindications. So after contraindications, we'll be talking about when to take it and how often. About when to take it, I think I've already explained. You have to take it 24 hours prior to unprotected sex. That's when it works more effectively. It also may work after maybe, let's say, 33 hours to 44 hours, but it won't be more effective as it could be in 24 hours, which means it will be effective maybe by 58, I think 58% only that. So 58% doesn't guarantee you that you won't get pregnant. So how to take it? It will be prescribed by your doctor. There are pills which are 2, and there are some which are just 1 pill. If it's just 1 pill, you will take it, and if it's 2, you have to take it. The first pill immediately and the second pill after 12 hours. That's how inakuwa hivyo hivyo. And how often? This part is more crucial, more important, guys. How often